Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're going to be preparing some fine potatoes here. We're going to be making scallop potatoes, garlic potatoes, some people say Dauphinoise, and by someone I mean my mother. Right, we're going to be dicing up these. We'll wash them first, we'll chop them up, and then we'll add a couple of spices. Come along, join me. So here we have some of the spices we're going to be working with here today. We'll start over here on the left. Here we have some onion powder, rosemary, parsley, we might keep that for the top, oregano, one of the two, thyme, and then in the last here is your conventional pepper. So the pepper grinder there. This isn't part of it, but it's still very important. Butter. Garlic, of course. King cream. We'll be needing a casserole dish. This yoke here is for slicing the potatoes nice and thinly. And this yoke kebab is for peeling them. Nice sharp one. Okay, so we're going to need around 15 nice spuds. So we'll wash the spuds first. I find I like to sing to the potatoes. I find it sort of settles them. They get a bit less anxious about their fate. They particularly love rebel songs, rap music. Armoured cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Here they're little spuds. 50-inch spuds ready for the peeler. So now here we have the peeling part. Some people don't like peeling potatoes, but I find it very therapeutic. Some people ask me, John, why did you put so much effort into cleaning the spuds if you were just going to strip them naked like this? But the answer is, this just makes it the whole process easier. They fall off. Look at that. Just fall off the spud. That's what you want, right? Ah, this reminds me of home.
John, you peel the potatoes?
I can't Fiona do it.
And she's up gallivanting.
And she still is gallivanting. Okay, now next up we have the slicing part. This is my favourite part. See that? Nice thin slices, they'll cook quicker. I bought this yoke in E-Mart, I believe. In E-Mart up the road. There we have it, job done. Preheat the dish. Step here now. Butter up your heated pan. Casserole dish. All around. There we are, lovely. No garlic. Mad for garlic in this house. We're going to mince this garlic next. And through the magic of editing. Okay, now I'm going to add the first layer. Layer of potatoes. Keep it nice and even all around. On the first layer, I'm after adding a couple of dollops of butter. I'm gonna go some onion powder. We'll be putting these now on each layer, maybe not all the stuff. A bit of oregano, a bit of wild mountain thyme, and some pepper. me think, a bit of rosemary, sure, why not? And no, I'll save the parsley for the top. Garlic there, garlic there, garlic there. There. Of course, cheese. Just a light drizzle. This will be in all the layers, you see. Okay, almost ready for the oven. I'm gonna pour my final step. Pour some cream here on the top. Maybe too much cream. We can always siphon it off. Right. Okay, oven time. Oven is set to 200. Now I'm just going to test them. I stick a knife through and they're feeling soft. Yeah, feeling okay. But as you can see, there's way too much cream. So I'm going to take some of the cream off and we'll use that at a later date for pasta sauce. Cheddar cheese. Nom 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 nom. Oh wow! All that's left now is a little bit of parsley. So that's it, lads. I hope you enjoyed cooking with John. A very Merry Christmas wherever you are in the world from Gwangju, and a reminder to check on the elderly at this time, and especially if they have no friends. So Merry Christmas, have a wonderful New Year, and he'll join us again next time with Cooking with John.